Oh shit, I have to email. Or I have to text this one woman. Fuck. I should have just done 2 shoops and taken the ledge grab. Cut my losses. Still at 26 somehow. Alright, peace out, IM. Thanks for stopping by, man. Have a good one, dude. Alright. Decent.
Ratchet checking.
Fuck, I got too greedy. Oh well. Still a really good Uzla. Well, dude, Squonk, congrats on that, dude. I'm glad to hear that you got Reki and all plat bolts. Get Zorp off his little tushy. I love how anytime anything happens in this game, it's always to get Zorb off of his tushy in my eyes. Fuck, I had to kill that guy, so... Okay, on reaction. Okay, cool. Good. I'll take that. I can definitely get sub 1. Not this one, but I definitely see it in myself to get sub 1 Whoop Hash if I get better at it. And get good RNG. 1 Zorp versus the world. 1 Jup versus the world. Alright, I'll take ledge grab on there. This area can be really weird, so I'm okay with a very normal thing right there. And I should not have ledge grabbed there. That was bad. That's an easy ledge grab to avoid. Alright, that's fine. This can gold. Or maybe not gold, but certainly I can save heaps of time right here. Heaps of time. We'll see. Okay. Decent enough. Dude, come on. Don't eat me mid-jump, game. Okay. Alright. That was weird. I'm glad everybody's playing Rack 2 right now. It's like Rack 2 and Rack 1. Rack 2 is finally getting the love it deserves. We got Zorp, Squonk, me, Armin, Skits playing Rack 2. We've got Slaughter, Ricky, Nuka, IN, Vortex, and like every now and then Raikari playing Rack 1. It's a time to be alive. And some people are starting to learn Ouya now. So this is cool. I'm really enjoying this game. I really am. I know I seem frustrated a lot, but it's only because I know I can be playing better than I am. I'm trying to just maintain my good mentality. Welcome back, Bobbly. There's only one remaining, that means I have to go over here. Nah, Ouya's not dead at all. The only reason I haven't been playing it is just because I need the break. But to be honest, I was the one keeping it alive in the first place, so it's not really that much of a change of pace. But it looks like people want to start learning Ouya. So that's a good thing. Would you go back to Ouya if someone took one of your world records? Absolutely. I definitely would, Wattball. Holy shit. Yeah, Ouya, I would say, is probably the hardest to play at a top level. Just because it's so unforgiving if you make any mistakes. Okay, good so far. Okay, reminder to never take your eyes off the screen in the middle of Barlow race. Just don't do it. Trust me, don't do it. Just don't do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I am not going to do it. It's just not going to happen. Yeah, eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. And I took my screen off, my eyes off the screen just to see that, Zorp, and now I'm gonna go back to not looking at chat. Okay. This is your world. You're the creator. Find freedom on the canvas. Believe that you can do it, because you can do it. No, bad RNG, bad RNG. .1, not as good as it could have been, but I'll take that. 45.1 is a decent first lap anyway. I got it. Cool. I got the boost. I needed that. I'm not good enough to be able to skip that yet. Oh, that's right. I also got bad RNG. That's why I got a 45.1 instead of a 44.9. Fuck. That could have been a 44.7 if I did one thing better. Alright, let's get a 214. I'm gonna shoot for 214.8. Nah, now it's looking like 214.9 at the most. Damn, dude, I hugged that wall a little too much. Whoo! Close. Move, you fucking fat ass. Okay. $215.1, so close. Oh well.
Great.
Alright, Felton, please be kind to me. Please. Just too late. Just too early. Got it. Third try. FS, thank you for the 0 viewer host. Yo, everybody spam nice host for FS Teninator, the king of the 0 viewer host. Third try. I'll take that. That's always so nerve-wracking. FS, how have you been, dude? I haven't seen you around in a while. No, 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 no. Ho, 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 game. No, you don't. Not today. Yo, OD, or Udi, however you pronounce that. Thank you for the 0 viewer host as well, my friend. Hope you're doing well today. Thank you, FS. Alright, saving time. Cool. DNP, what's going on, dude? Just finished 2 YouTube Poops Mavoops. That's what that stands for, Poops Mavoops. I don't know what else it could stand for. So... Alright, Siberius. Time to maybe be a homie to me today for once. Alright, take it slowly and carefully. There we go. Not gonna go for God Cycle, even though it's right there. That's God Cycle right there. I could have gotten it. But it's okay, I'm gonna play it safe. Cool. Nah, it definitely stands for YouTube Poops Mavoops. You're just not even close, FS. You just don't get it. Why did it do that? This game does some weird ass shit sometimes, I swear. Okay, not perfect, but it's good enough. Alright, boys, now we got a run going. Spider Shark, thanks for the 0 viewer host, dude. I appreciate it. Alright, I practiced this a lot. Well, I already fucked up, but that's okay. Ah, man. Might be a gold. Every time, I'm always terrified that it's soft locked. Always terrified. Yo, Monster, thanks for the zero to your host, dude. How you doing today? This is gonna be a nice gold. Really nice. Oh, fuck. Alright. Tyrion and I are going to talk later. Tyrion and I will talk. But we're not going to talk about it right now. This is kind of dicey. Okay. Cool. Alright, guys, we're only 7 seconds off of Summer Best's being, or 8 seconds off of Summer Best being below Ricky's world record. So maybe we'll get 1 or 2 more good golds here. Okay, pretty good. Alright. Triple gold. I love his strands. Nice. Alright, Tadano. I don't like you and you don't like me. But I'm finally fucking did that first try in a run. Alright, I practiced the fuck out of Tadano, so hopefully this will go well. No, please. Okay. Fuck, dude. Please. Alright, we're tied with Ricky's world record now, as far as some of bests go. Alright, Roach, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for the good luck, my friend. I appreciate it. Alright, guys, the high-key god of Bolden is here. I put on big head mode. I'm an idiot. Alright, that wasn't good, but it was fine. Alright, Aranos 2. What do I have to do here? The long and the short of it is I just can't fuck up. Like, that's the biggest part. But I should be able to get, even if I get any major fuck-ups, I should be able to get sub 32. Or sub second place. We just gotta keep it going strong. Okay. Let's go, little guys. Yo, Virgilio, what's going on, man? It's good to see you here, dude. And Raytonux. Oh, you've been here for a while, dude. But, good to see you in the chat. Well, thank you, Roach. I appreciate the kind words. Alright, well that was interesting. There you go, little guy. Come on in. I'm gonna kill Clank for the swag. Oh, no. Boosted a little too far down. Or a little too far back. But that's okay. Fuck. Come on. Holy shit, dude. That was a fucking damn good Aranos. This run has gone, like, bonkers. Alright, Gorn. I don't like you and you don't like me. But let's do this. Corn, I like you. The loud noise might be my heater going, which unfortunately I have to keep on. So I'm not like fucking cold as shit. Fuck. Not this run, Ricky, but it's getting there. We're getting there. We're getting somewhere with this shit. Alright, this is decent. Yo, thanks for complimenting my hat. I'm on world record pace? What the fuck? I don't see myself getting world record. My Smolg is still terrible. And my Yeetle is still inconsistent. Like, I don't do... Like, Smolg I'm probably gonna fuck up, let's be real. I'm gonna do only single charge, though. Because I'm not confident with double charge. Rail always messes me up when I don't want it to. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything about the run. How about that? How about I just play the run instead of talking about it? I don't know how that was a gold. I feel like I'm overperforming so hard right now. Like, I've practiced a lot, but I shouldn't be getting runs this good this quickly. I'm definitely overperforming. How bright is it on Planet Cool? I don't know, man. Like, the overperformance is so real right now. I'm not gonna go for ledge grabless. That's fine. Fuck. Yeah. No, not good. Oh wait, am I? No. Alright, that was my own fault. Fuck. Turn the camera. Okay. That's fine. At least we're in first-person mode, right? Save that extra half second. It's all good, guys. I'm not gonna go for this because I'm too scared. I'm a little puss-puss. But I am, however, gonna go for this. Alright. So we're gonna be losing some time, but... Like, I think I'm going to be saving time. Obviously, this kind of kills any chance I had of world record, but I'm not... Like I said, I'm not worried about getting world record. I really just wanted second place right now. I'll focus on that later. Zorb, I know what I'm about, son. Acting like I don't know how to work the rail. I know how close I was. I didn't know how close I was to fucking up that rail so hard. Oh no, dude, please. Oh no. Okay. That's fine. Oh, I'm tilting. The tilt is so real. Ricky tilted me. Alright. That's fine. Let's run this in for a nice PB. No! Oh, I hate... I always get so overconfident with that. Ah, fuck. Not a good Yeetle so far, but we can run this in. Alright, good first part. No, am I dead? Am I dead? No, I am not. Just by the skin of my teeth, I'm not dead. Holy fuck. Alright, I'm not good at this clip. Alright, cool. Got it. Cool, second place. Sub 30? Sub 30? Sub fucking 30! What the fuck? Woo! God damn! What? What the shit, dude? How in the fuck was this sub 30? What the fuck?
It was nothing, sir.
God damn! Oh my god! What the fuck? What's going on, Cusco? I don't even understand. Like, honestly, I do not get how this run was this good. What's going on, Six?